Maybe you've given hundreds of speeches and seminars, and here you are again. But this time, it's different. Visualize yourself about to speak in front of a large group of people. Could be stockholders, could be potential investors. Your speech is ready, but unlike most people in your position, you have no notes, no teleprompter, and you didn't memorize a single word. You walk confidently up to the front, hold eye contact with the group, and begin. Instead of being locked behind the lectern, you have complete freedom to move wherever you wish, perhaps even into the audience, while delivering your speech. Whether for 5 minutes or 50, with or without slides or video, your ability to speak clearly and confidently impresses everybody there. It's the kind of performance that leads to greater sales and your company's rapid growth and impact in the marketplace, not to mention your personal and professional advancement. This is the kind of speech you want to give, and you can, whether you're experienced or not, using the ear prompter. My name is Brian Collins, and I'm a spokesman, news anchor, and TV host. I've appeared in more than 1,100 films, conventions, press conferences, and special events. I've taught the ear prompter to thousands of people over the last 10 years, and we can teach you and your people in less than a day.